All right, so today we're gonna have water. Okay, that is leaking water. I'm pretty confident that the water is gonna happen today, and because I'm gonna do it. All right, so this is our line that we got from the main city. I don't know if this is orthodox, but applied heat to this pipe to bend it, which worked fine, except at one point, I guess we hit the one side a little bit too much. Hopefully that's fine and that's not a big deal. But if it is a big deal, probably the internet will tell me. But anyway, that's what we did because it was just slanting a little bit too much. And over here is where it's leaking. This coupling basically was leaking. So as you can see, the kind of watermark around here. So we're gonna have to take it off and put on a new one. So that's what we're gonna do right now, and then we'll have water officially to the bunker. And then we just have to fix some of the plumbing inside. So we got the main water line in, and I'm gonna go turn on the water down the street in the manhole to see if our water is working now. All right. So it looks like, checking this, there's no water leaking that I can see. Over here, no water. Pipe is cold from the water that's going in, but no leaking. All right, so one thing that will become very evident from these videos is that I am not an expert. I'm an amateur. Hopefully in 6 months, maybe I'll be a little bit better, and we can all look back on this video and laugh as I redo all of this. Maybe not. Maybe it'll be fine. So before, when we had the water on, it's really echoey in here. This was leaking water. I think this was off, but despite this being off, it was leaking water. So I'm going to turn on the main water and come check this out and see if it was leaking water, even though it's closed, because it should not leak water if it's closed. All right, here's the main water line. Here goes nothing. All right, it's not leaking water. Okay, that is leaking water. Okay, that can be fixed, I believe. Right here. There we go. Oh, that water is still leaking out there. Okay, it is not this one then. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Okay. That's not good. Okay. These are closed. I'm guessing this is leaking water too. Huh. Okay. Let's see. Are these pipes leaking? Or is that just water coming from up above? All right, well, we found one open pipe after turning the water on. Unfortunately, after turning the water on, that pipe was just open, it emptied into the floor and came down from the mezzanine to the bottom floor. I guess as long as you don't count the faucet going outside, because I think we potentially shut that off, might just need a cap for the water line that's going upstairs. Hopefully that's it. I'm sad to report that I had to take another bucket shower today. We are so close to getting water into the bunker. Yeah, so anyway, that's the update. We got the pipe outside. It seems pretty good. Seems like it's not leaking. We got the water to the hydrant working. We got the water coming into, the bunker. Then Wednesday, I'm actually gonna head out and meet family. We're gonna unpack our storage and bring it to the bunker, and they're coming to the bunker. So that's happening this week. So I'm excited about that. That's my update for today. Let me know if you have any questions.